Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Angular Material UI modules and styles, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Angular Material UI modules and styles, begin by opening your project directory in the terminal. Next, you need to stop the Angular development server if it is running. You can do this by navigating to the terminal window where the server is running and pressing Ctrl+C. Now, identify the Angular material packages that you want to remove from your project. These packages typically include @Angular/material, @Angular/CDK, and possibly others. To uninstall a package, use the npm uninstall command followed by the package name. For example, type npm uninstall @Angular/material. Repeat this process for any other Angular material packages you want to remove. Once you have uninstalled the necessary packages, you should also check for any custom styles or themes related to Angular material in your project. Navigate to your styles.css or styles.scss file to look for any Angular material styles imported there. Remove any and import statements that reference Angular material styles. Next, search your project for any components that might be using Angular material modules. You will need to remove any associated TypeScript imports and declarations from these components. Make sure to check both your module files and individual component files. After you have cleaned up your imports, it's time to clean up any references in your HTML templates. Look for any Angular material components listed in your HTML files. Remove these components to ensure your application no longer relies on Angular material. Once you have finished all removals, save your changes and return to the terminal. To ensure everything is updated, run the command npm install to clean up any dependencies. Lastly, start your Angular application again with ing-serve to see if it runs smoothly without Angular material. If everything is functioning correctly, you have successfully uninstalled Angular Material UI module. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.